18 years ago, I founded Torino Design to push young talents as our force to enter the future. Torino Design is an Italian boutique specialized in transportation design, especially in electric mobility, and for this reason the cooperation with VinFast has been incredibly interesting.
We are proud to announce our collaboration with VinFast from Vietnam to create the VF6, a car for young families that care about environment, a philosophy we expressed with exciting, elegant and bold design.
In Torino Design, we are immersed in nature, the best place to be inspired from. We worked on the duality principle from nature, where all elements coexist in harmonious unity. In the VF6, the duality is manifested as the harmony between technology and human, symbolized by the dual signature light on the front and the rear of the VF6, and also the dual aluminum strokes on the side window. Stretch wheelbase and short overhangs to ensure a comfortable interior. Low and sleek bonnets and a dropping roof line to obtain the best of aerodynamics.
Among other sketches, we are seeking a style that would resonate with a broad audience. A representation of elegance and simplicity with a sleek body and precise details. It took us intensive work and several design loops to bring that appeal to each surface and detail of the VF6. The VF6 is truly a work of art, and this beauty is undeniable.
The focus is not on the cluster instruments and controls. The focus is on the experience of driving an electric vehicle. Soft and high-quality materials create a comfortable and calm traveling space, while the interior theme revolves around high-contrast colors.
Together, we crafted one of finest VinFast electric vehicle. We hope you and this exquisite car will create countless wonderful memories together.